Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. In our previous video session, we have started the chapter number 3, Shapes and Patterns. We have already learned about the different shapes, their names and basic properties. And also we are able to distinguish the plane shapes. In this session, let us learn about solid shapes, and also let us try to understand the differences between solid shapes and plane shapes. So in the previous video, we have learned about all these plane shapes. Let us recall the names of these plane shapes. So this shape is called as triangle, and this is square, this is rectangle, this is circle, and this is oval. These shapes are drawn on a surface like surface of a paper or the board. Even we can cut papers into these shapes. So when we have the papers cut into these shapes, the thickness of these shapes will be very small. So what we have to understand here is plane shapes are drawn on a surface. Their thickness is very small. This is very important to understand here. Thickness of plane shapes are very small. In other words, we can say they are very thin. They can be drawn on a surface, or if we have these shapes in real, or some objects may be in shapes. So if they are plane shapes, their thickness are negligibly small. Now let us try to understand about solid shapes one by one. So name of this shape is cube. Cube is nothing but a three-dimensional object, or simply we can understand it as an object, a box-like object in which the measurements of each sides are same. So if you measure this side using your measuring scale or ruler, so ಇದರ ಅಳತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ಅಳತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if the measurement of this side is 5 centimeters, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ 5 centimeters ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಅಳತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ 5 centimeters ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ in a cube, the measurements of all sides will be equal. And we have another shape which is also a box shape, looks like a box. Here measurements of all sides of a cuboid will not be same. So measurement of this side will be the longest, and measurement of this side will be length of this will be a bit lesser than this, and measurement of height or thickness of this box will be even lesser than measurements of these two. So such a shape is called as cuboid. Please try to understand the differences between cube and a cuboid. In a cube, though both of them are boxes, box shapes, in the first or in cube, measurements of any side if you measure, the measurements will be same. Here, the measurements are not same. So it looks like a linear, a long box. So this is a box with same measurements. So this is the basic difference between a cube and cuboid. If you look at the surfaces of these shapes, so the surfaces are plane surfaces. So it will be having, both of these will be having 6 faces, and all the 6 faces are flat. Further, let us understand about some more solid shapes. So this represents a sphere. Sphere is a ball-like shape. You have seen a football or a volleyball or even a cricket ball. The shape is called as, shapes of those balls is called as sphere. It may look like a circle here, but it is not a circle. This figure here represents a sphere. The difference between circle and a sphere is, circle is just drawn on a surface, but a sphere is an object. It is three-dimensional object. It will not lie on a surface, entirely on a surface. It is an object like a ball. Cylinder. So the shape, name of the shape shown here is a cylinder. So here you have the curved surface, and the top and the bottom surfaces are flat surfaces. The best example for this is a LPG cylinder, which is also we call by the name cylinder. So there will be the side will be a curved surface, and the top and bottom surfaces are flat. Such a shape is called as a cylinder. Cone. So again, this side is a curved surface, the bottom will be the flat surface, and the top will be tapering into a narrow end, or which comes to end at a point. Such a shape is called as cone. So again, these three are the solid shapes with curved surfaces. Earlier we learned about cube and cuboid. Their surfaces were flat. Here the surfaces of sphere, cylinder and cone are spherical surfaces or curved surfaces. So these are the basic differences between these 5 solid shapes which we are learning today. Now let us see some examples for solid shapes. In the first column we have solid shapes, in the second column we have examples for them. So this is a cube. This shape represents a cube, and here you have cubic blocks which you use to play by keeping one above the other as shown here. And this is a dice which you use to play Ludo or snake and ladder games. So these shapes are nothing but cubes. Here we have a sphere. This shape is called as a sphere. Example for sphere are ball, a football, volleyball, basketball, cricket ball, all balls, table tennis ball, all balls, most of the balls will be in spherical shape. And here there are some marbles. Marbles also spherical in shape but small in size. This shape is called as cone. Examples for cone are maybe this is a cap, birthday cap, which you wear on your birthdays while celebration. Those will be in the shape of a cone, or this could be cracker, flower pot, you call it as flower pot, or ಹೂಕುಂಡ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ಪಟಾಕಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಚ್ಚಬಹುದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೂಕುಂಡ ಕೂಡ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಸೊ ಆ ಹೂಕುಂಡ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಶೇಪನ್ನು ನಾವು, ಹೂಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಶೇಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕೋನ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಕೋನ್. ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಳುಗಳು ಕೈಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೆಹಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಮೆಹಂದಿಯ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಮೆಹಂದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಶೇಪನ್ನು ಕೋನ್ ಶೇಪ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋನ್. So you understand about the names of the shapes with these examples, I hope. So this is a cuboid. You can see here, this looks like a box with unequal measurements of sides. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಗಳ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದು, ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಎ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ cuboid, and a suitcase or a briefcase or any boxes will be in the shape of a cuboid. This is a cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder, and here you have a container of paint. Paint in ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ರಮ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ದ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್. ಸೊ such shapes are called cylindrical shapes. Now let us try to answer the questions in exercise 3B. Question number 1. Match each object with its correct solid shape. One has been done for you. So objects are given here in the first row and solid shapes are given in the second row. Here we have to match the object with the correct solid shape as shown here. So here there is a ball, picture of a ball is given and it is matched with the sphere. The ball is spherical in shape and hence it is matched with the sphere here. Now let us do the rest of these. B, this is Rubik's cube. The shape of this is a cube and we have to match with the cube here by drawing a line like this. And coming to C, this is a cap, birthday cap. So this is, shape of this is a cone. and let us match this with the cone given here by drawing a line. And here we have a jar. It seems to be a glass jar, and the jar is in the shape of a cylinder. Let us match these two by drawing a line. And lastly, here we have a book. Book is in the shape of a cuboid. Let us match these two. So we have learned about different solid shapes and example for them. Question number 2. Tick the object that matches with the solid shape shown in each part. In the first part here, some solid shapes, or all the solid shapes that we have learned today are given here, and in the other part of this table, some examples are given for each, and we have to look at the shape given here, and we have to tick the appropriate box as per the given shape. So here in the first question a sphere is given. Coming here, this is not a sphere, but this is a ball is a sphere, and we have to tick this box. So these are cubes of ice. So since these are cubes, we will not tick this box. Ball is a sphere, and hence it matches with the given shape here, so we will tick this box. Coming to B, we have a cube here, and we have to tick this box. This is the Rubik's cube, and this is a globe, and it is spherical in shape. Shape of this is sphere, and the shape of Rubik's cube is a cube, so we have to tick this box. Coming to C, here we have a cylinder, and this seems to be a matchbox which is in the shape of a cuboid, and we will not tick this box, and we can tick this box because this is in what shape? This is in cylindrical shape. We will tick this box. Here we have a cone, and this is clock, and it is circular in shape. We will not tick this, but we will tick this box. And here we have a cuboid, and we will tick the box here which represents the cuboid, and this is in cylindrical shape. So we have made tick marks corresponding to the shapes given in first column here. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.